some of you guys had some excellent suggestions on making the hay carts more sturdy. And we took those into consideration and went to work. Check it out. So Eric told me he wants me to cut the welds right there, I guess right there, and right there. Yeah. So cut the welds off, and then he just wants this plate. Yeah. It's really close. It has just a hair over here and just a tiny bit right there. But man, let me tell you, again, safety first. Long sleeves that are not tight.
Got to get over up past that wall. All it is going to be a triangle. You don't want to do a square.
So you're doing something that's just going to go from there to there?
Yep, from here down to here.
Oh.
And all that's just going to keep it from pushing back. See, there's no strength here. There's no strength back this way, but once you put something here, it's going to keep it from pushing back. Down to this corner. And you don't, the reason you could leave it square, but if you cut across here, you know what I mean? But then it would have a sharp edge that you could catch yourself on. But doing a triangle, you're not going to have any edges.
We got a little gusset on there, hold it up both sides. Hi, so it is now baling day. We got Eric's works manager here along with his son. Anyway, we are doing the cart shuffle. We wanted to make sure it was tying okay, so makes me nervous. So ran a couple bales through it. Eric said it's tying good, so we're gonna go ahead and hook up the cart and see how the carts are running. I get cart pickup service today. Baler to cart hitch service. Must be my lucky day. I don't have to do it. broken bales at all so far, so that is great.
All right, Hunter, you ready? You ready? All right, let's count to 3. Let's let her rip. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Pull! There they go! Yay! Woo! Woo!
show you the hay cart shuffle, which I didn't show you last time. Ready? Believe it or not, I can do this on my own too. It takes a little bit of craftiness on my part, but it can be done. So we've got the hitch upside down right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I can't pull that out with gloves on, just so you know. Gloves are right here. All right, let's see what we can do.
Bale's going perfect weight.
Lofting bales up there so quick.
Yeah?
It wasn't bad because they weren't very heavy. I'm not going to use that camera.
See, now I don't feel so bad with my million backing ups for this.
Where'd you put the pen?
Oh, Eric probably put it back on the baler. Eric.
Really?
Remember this last time you tell me, for what?
Is there a pin up there on that one?
On what one? The other trailer?
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't touched them. I haven't pulled them off.
Oh yeah, I did put on the baler.
Oh, good heavens. I seen this one already. Or at least a pin. Oh, why would you stick it like that? Who's gonna see that? There. Pin. Pin.
Good.
Calling out to all my friends. I got a feeling I can't hide. Let's get together now. Don't waste another smile.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And as always, hit the like button to show that you care. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome week. Love you. Bye.